CBSE Class 6 Maths. In order to discuss this exercise, which has 5 sums, each sum has 5 subdivision except for this fourth sum which has only 4 subdivision. The same exercise has been already discussed as part of the older syllabus, in which this exercise comes under chapter 8, exercise 8.4. So this exercise is completely ditto of the one which we already discussed as part of the older syllabus. So I am just tagging the link of that particular video, also mentioning the same link in the description as well, so that if you need to revise this exercise, you can easily refer the link and go through that video.